Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm Liz, and this is Max.
Mary.
And Lulu. We just quit our jobs and left it all behind.
To find something bigger and better, because we were
Called to the road.
Probably about a couple hours from our destination, but we just pulled over into the welcome center and went back into the trailer, made some lunch, got refueled, and are ready to go. We made it to Florida.
It's funny because if I had to drive back to Ohio right now, I don't think I could.
We're stuck, and basically we're stuck in Florida.
We're stuck in Florida, but we have half and half, so everything is going to be okay for about 2 days.
This is one of our complimentary private resorts that we got for a week with free with when we bought the trailer.
We had to do a tour with the Travel Resorts of America to unlock our 3 free weeks. So we had to have a 2-hour private tour of their campground in Ohio, and then had to promptly say, oh no, we're not actually interested in purchasing your lifetime, whatever it is, membership. We had a little trouble getting in, just a little bit.
I was grumpy as can be getting the trailer set up today.
Well, we had a long drive day, and the spot has a very sketchy concrete pad. It's like, first of all, it's not concrete, it's asphalt. And so it must have been kind of warm when people sat on it, and every time since they sat on it, and it's probably so hot in Florida, it like heats up, and just the weight of people's tongue, and
couldn't get level, couldn't get the tongue to come off of the ball on the hitch the because slide. It was like this. Slide almost hit the electric post, or we missed it by about 3 inches. Moved the truck again, moved the trailer again, then couldn't get the tongue off, had to get back on the Anderson. I was losing it. I was really trying not to lose it, but I
was fine at this point. I think he was in a bad mood.
He stepped
in dog poop at the Welcome Center of Florida.
Big one.
But then
it was like, welcome to Florida. Stepped right in poop.
But then you were super happy when we were in here making a sandwich for lunch. He's like, this is so great. We're making lunch in the back of our, while we're at a welcome center.
Hooking this spot up tested me. I have felt like so confident, like even that I'm like really finally getting the hang of this whole thing and like hooking up and setting things up. I felt like a professional today when I was packing up this morning, and like I got this down, and then I got here and it all was
Don't
different.
Get too confident.
It was all I got too confident. Because that's the thing. Every spot is different, and this one,
life will just knock you back down.
It actually like looked like a real easy spot too, compared to some of these crazy spots we've been in the woods. Yeah. And I was like, oh, easy peasy.
All right, it's time for our first meal in Florida. We have Rob on the grill as always. He's the meat man.
Griddle today. I did some quick Italian breaded.
Look how good it looks.
Chicken's glistening.
Little fun fact. Rob worked in a butcher shop when he was in college. Rob's done everything,
Fun fact,
so don't even
Lizzie
ask.
grew up vegetarian, so...
I don't know how to cook meat.
Vegetarian. I don't know how to cook vegetables.
So, I'm in charge of the pasta.
She's the peas to
and
my
the
carrots.
Green beans. Woohoo!
Let's see if this is any good. I don't know.
Which are behind, of course, but I was walking the dogs, so...
This cooked.
It's only a matter of time. Veggies don't take long, okay? Not that pasta's a veggie. Alright.
So, with the chicken, I just boneless chicken breast. I dredged it in some flour, dipped it in an egg, dredged it in Italian breadcrumbs, fried it in olive oil in the electric skillet outside, so it doesn't even stink like fried chicken or anything in here. Not all smoked out.
Yeah, it's nice to keep those smells outside.
The electric skillet outside is clutch.
Yeah, Rob saw it, he used it, and had to have it. Did we borrow one from somebody or what?
There was one in the rental when we rented one.
That's right.
I used it for like every meal. Alright, you might want to try this.
Another fun fact.
Taste it.
We rented an RV before we bought one. You should too.
Yep.
Oh.
Learned a lot. Wow.
So juicy.
Juicy and crunchy at the same time.
Ooh, I need a timer. Okay. Just gotta wait on the spaghetti. Got some green beans going. And it's going with Rob's breaded
Italian
chicken.
breaded chicken.
Italian breaded chicken.
I'm hungry.
Alright, we're gonna cut to the finished product.
Florida now.
This place is beautiful, I will say that. Luxury resort.
We just got down to New Smyrna Beach. It's our first beach day in Florida. And thus begins our search for free parking. So it looks like mostly it's $10 to $20 to park down here. It is a drive-on beach, so you can pay that and drive onto the beach and park on the sand if you want, but we don't think it's a very good idea to get a bunch of sand in the Yukon. Oh yeah, I'm getting this free parking. Yeah. I always know where to find the free parking.
Come on out, guys. There's plenty of space.
We'll save you a spot.
Look at the waves. I'm so ready to go swimming.
Well, how do you feel about that this is a shark beach?
It's a shark beach. I'm gonna punch 'em in the nose.
Okay. I'll let you go out first and punch the sharks in the nose. Beach day. We found the free parking. This is Mary McLeod Bethune Beach Park in New Smyrna. Once you come in and hit the coast, you just kind of take a right and drive down about 5 miles, and it's right there on the left. And there is plenty of free parking out here today. And it's beautiful out. Lots of nice waves. New Smyrna is like kind of a surfing beach. There's supposed to be sharks out here, so we'll keep our eyes open. They've got a fill-a-bag station down here, which is actually like fill a bucket. That you can take a bucket and bring it down on the beach with you, fill it up with everyone's stinky old litter and trash, and then bring it back up here and put it where it belongs. DJing for a seagull rave down here.
Attack of the seagulls.
We have some music going through our speaker and the seagulls are lining up
They're
for it.
They're loving it. I think all the seagulls from this whole island are...
We'll show you.
Rob and Lizzie, we're in Florida.
Bye.